Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to open containers in World of Warships and choose the best rewards. First, make sure you've earned a container. You can get containers by completing daily missions, events, battle pass rewards, and special campaigns. Once you have a container, go to the port screen, and at the left side of the screen, you can see containers. Click on that to go to the container screen. And here, you select the container you want to open, and click on open. You can also earn containers by playing daily, collecting XP, select the container that you have earned, and there are 4 choices of the containers that you can select. More resources, more credits, signals and camouflages, and try your luck. After choosing, click open container and the game will play a short animation just like what you seen earlier and show you what you received. Your rewards are added instantly to your account like credits, coal, commanders, special items, or even ships. And here's a little bit of tip. If you're saving up for premium ships, always choose more resources to maximize your coal income. That's it. That is how you open containers in World of Warships.